Okay, so once you've got your custom controls set up, the expresso's there on the control object, we've got our user data with our twist, squash and bend. What you can do is you can go into your user data, manage the user data, and you can set up limits for each of the values. So I've got minus 100 and 100 for my twist, and I've also turned on the sliders so that they match that, the length of the slider matches these values. For squash and stretch, I've got 50% to 150%, and again I've turned on the slider minimum and maximum to match, and the same with the bend. I've got minus 100 to 100, same with our slider minimum and maximum. These can be changed at any time. All you need to do here is go into user data, manage user data, and you can change these settings. Once you've set those up, you can then drag and drop your sliders into the interface. And we can also change these a little bit. We can hold down the command key and reposition them. And if we right click, we have a whole bunch of options for these controllers. If I right click, I want to show, I'm under the display menu, I'm not going to show the object, I'm just going to show the name of the attribute we're animating. So right click, display, turn off object, right click, display, turn off object. There's also a handy function. If we go to display, there's one called auto fold, which means that if we bring our cursor over the top of that attribute, it automatically pops up with a little slider. So right click, display, auto fold, and now these pop up automatically. So as we're animating, we can jump into here, change our sliders, and then whenever we need to set a keyframe, click the little circle. That will go red, indicating you've set a keyframe at this point in time. So this is a really fast and easy and intuitive way to start adjusting our keyframes without having to hunt through lots of objects, find attributes, set them, hit the keyframe button, and so on. These, as you'll notice, will disappear when you deselect your control object. Those controls will automatically hide.